I'm saying, I say what I'm seeing. Hustlers moving, degrading the being. Urban decay is the word of the day, so a verse on the page from the A to the PM. I say what I'm seeing, you see what I'm saying. True talk on the CD when it's playing. You hear every boast, but I'm reading the most on the beat when I'm spraying. You see what I'm saying.
Streets that are playing, you could get jumped for a grand. Box a bush in your van, oldest sizing you up, looks like a plan. Mine is pushing the pram and they ain't even legal themselves. Baby that's evil is leaving the girl. Baby grows old, turns evil as well. So now it's a sequel, the people, the streets where I dwell. Deceitful, shady and dark. You could get strapped if you ain't got the heart. You stick your neck out, I forget tech out, and you can't get out. It's best you stay in the yard in a place full of parts. Don't wanna be in, get a few mates, bit of weight in a BM. You don't wanna be another slave to the PM. Some LMC, man, I'll say what I'm seeing. Just say what I'm saying, I say what I'm seeing. Hustlers moving, degrading the being. Urban decay is the word of the day, so a verse on the page from the A to the PM. I say what I'm seeing, just see what I'm saying. True talk on the CD when it's playing. You hear every boast, but I'm really the most on the beat when I'm spraying. Just see what I'm saying.
I reside in a town where a scream is only a sound that's about to be drowned. People go missing, but a body ain't nobody till nobody gets found. And that's why I do music, it's me next. I inhale with a deep breath, take a leap, not a cheap step. Start to move double time like my time's nearly up, and I've only got a week left. De-stress through the music. If I stay in the hood, I'ma lose it. That's why I made a vow to myself to fly out the hood any way that I can, even if I gotta fly out the hood on a broomstick. That's plan B, plan A sailing away in a cruise ship. What beggars you try to choose or a new
See what I'm saying, I say what I'm seeing. Hustlers moving, degrading the being. Urban decay is the word of the day, so a verse on the page from the A to the PM. I say what I'm seeing, you see what I'm saying. True talk on the CD when it's playing. You hear every boast, but I'm really the most on the beat when I'm spraying. Just see what I'm saying. I wanna be the CD that you see that'll make you go and spend P in that store that you take home when your mum will take from you. Like someone you spend P on that for. I am the foul mouth, live around south of the town where it's something like the Vietnam War. I roll with a bag of man, new school Taliban, banging out bar trying to see a man score. I'm sitting in a drop top like a hot shot, saying what, Billy Mad L's. Lyrics for the little you then, we salute them, they salute us, so it's lyrics at sell. It's dark in a laptop, a crack spot, falls of a back shot, I'll be giving that yell. When we push it M3 of a Bentley, don't tempt me, I'll get rid of that well. See what I'm saying, I say what I'm seeing. Hustlers moving, degrading the being. Urban decay is the word of the day, so a verse on the page from the A to the PM. I say what I'm seeing, you see what I'm saying. True talk on the CD when it's playing. You hear every boast, but I'm really the most on the beat when I'm spraying. Just see what I'm saying, see what I'm saying, I say what I'm seeing. Hustlers moving, degrading the being. Urban decay is the word of the day, so a verse on the page from the A to the PM. I say what I'm seeing, you see what I'm saying. True talk on the CD when it's playing. You hear every boast, but I'm really the most on the beat when I'm spraying. Just see what I'm saying.
Till the dope boys come around and pay mine to go ahead and pump right there in front of the house. Every night me and Keisha used to be hungry. Then break mom off a little bit of bread. We get to eat every night. When the police showed up, took them away. Now me and Keisha in the apartment starving. FedEx Vegas. Sorry, officer, you can't control us. Get on my property so I can roll up. They say what you want be when you grow up. The nigga from my hood that blows up, they ain't showed me no love, no love. They claim they the hardest round, but they don't know us. You claim you 10 toes down, don't pick them toes up. You supposed to hold it down, don't ever fold up. Let's get it. I place my right hand on the Bible as I'm testifying. JR giggled in the courtroom, he already know I'm lying. I'm going to hell trying to avoid jail, so I'm not complying. I think that yo got selling wolf tickets and we ain't buying. Why we gotta die to see heaven? I want it here. Told the Reverend one day I'ma bless everyone in here. Shout my family, shout my followers, shout out everyone that share. Streets raising crazy baby, swear it ain't no one in fear. I'm God sent. If I catch a demon scheming, let him have it. People screaming when I walk and leaning with the automatic. Really mean it, take it home and clean it, baby. I'm a savage. They don't practice what they preach. I will preach while I practice. I remember hiding from them cops in the attic. I remember serving rock to my first addict. I remember hitting the block with the magic. Pops beat me down when he found that pound under the mattress. I hear that train coming, hear my grandma humming. I hear that train coming. I hear that train coming, I hear my grandma humming, I hear the train. Sorry, officer, you can't control us. Get on my property so I can roll up. They say what you want be when you grow up. The nigga from my hood that blows up, they ain't show me no love, no love. They claim they the hardest round, but they don't know us. You claim you 10 toes down, don't pick them toes up. You supposed to hold it down, don't ever fold up. Yeah, if they don't love you for who you are, they gon' hate you for who you not. It's not a fraud that I can't spot. You told your dog to get on top. Wanna play a game? I'm Jigsaw, call the law, get shot. Broad day, we pull them quads in your yard and make it hot. Don't got time, sit around, decide who fake or not. The young boys out of town will lay you down and take your spot. Do you like Denzel? Did that bump make you taste the Glock? Virginia finally gave a crown to someone, thanks a lot. And if it perfect, I see the look on their face, they getting nervous. Ay, look, made them mad on purpose. Game over for these fakes, close the curtain. Sorry, officer, you can't control us. Get on my property so I can roll up. They say what you want be when you grow up. The nigga from my hood that blows up, they ain't show me no love, no love. They claim they the hardest round, but they don't know us. You claim you 10 toes down, don't pick them toes up. You supposed to hold it down, don't ever fold up. Yeah, you on IG and you on at FedEx Vegas, I don't know what you doing with your life. VA stand up. All you false prophets need to stop saying y'all gonna put VA on. How you gonna do it? Y'all ain't did it in the last 15 years. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be the one to put VA on. And I don't mean that by I'm signing people. I'll make sure everybody know the same thing that I know. Knowledge is key. FedEx Vegas.